Everyone, so we are going to talk about protein, and this is the part 2 video of it. In the previous video we have discussed about the significance of protein and how we can obtain complete protein from the vegan sources, and this is the continuation part. So let's go on to the topic which I am going to talk about. Now when we are talking about protein, we have to understand what protein is made up of. Protein are made up of subunits. Okay, so protein is a bigger molecule, and inside protein we have 20 amino acids. Now amino acids are they are required for our body. So these 20 amino acids can be synthesized. Some of them can be synthesized within our body and some of them not. So there is always people will be saying that you should include egg and dairy along with dal and legumes and beans to make our meal more nutrient dense. To improve the quality of the nutrients, we have to add dairy and eggs in our meal along with dal, legumes, rice and grains. Okay, so now we were talking about why the protein is made up of 20 amino acids, and out of which 9 essential amino acids cannot be synthesized from our body. So these 9 essential amino acids have to be coming out from outside. So where can I find these 9 essential amino acids? You can find that definitely in soybeans, tofu, edamame beans and soybeans. Again, soybeans is different and soya chunks is different and tofu is different. And you can get from chickpeas and green peas. That green peas are having high quality protein. Now, this high quality protein, nutrition scientists have defined protein quality in terms of PDCAAS. So PDCAAS is a terminology given to protein quality. Okay, so when we are talking about the quality of a protein, if the PDCAAS is of value 1, the protein is termed as very best protein. Now we have seen that terminologies will be appearing in some packed products if we are looking into it. Otherwise also the PDCAAS quality mark is good for soybeans, it's good for green peas, chickpeas, rice, yes, but these all will be coming in lower order. So all the 9 essential amino acid can be absorbed from all the list of food which I have given right now which I have stated. If you want a complete list of all these protein sources, you message me and I will get back to you with that list. And as always, when you find this protein sources in the lower category, all those lists, we shouldn't leave on that, because from here the main importance of selecting food, the choices of selecting food starts from here only. We give importance to those food which are higher in PDCAAS value, but we leave out those food which are having lower value. Like for rice, it will be PDCAAS value will be 0.5. So people will be saying, so I want to lose weight, this protein is less in rice and dal because its value is less, so I will be leaving it out. So here where we have to look bigger picture. Why? We have to look that by combining both these two, we are promoting health to our gut. How we can promote health to our gut? By selecting whole grain foods, whole plant-based foods, including a lot of variety from beans, including a lot of variety from legumes and vegetables also. You can add protein to your meals by adding seeds. Pumpkin seed, sunflower seeds, they are all high in protein. And they not only provide protein, there are so many nutrients associated with whole green, whole plant-based foods. You will definitely will be best. You will be absorbing all your minerals and vitamins from whole plant foods only. Any artificial sources may not give you that result. like not result, like for long term health, like preventing cancer, preventing cholesterol, and your diabetes. All these things are related by not eating one particular group of food. We cannot disengage one particular food because we want a temporary result. We can't do that. Entirely in our life we cannot live on only one macronutrient. There are so many micronutrients, there are so many other natural substances that will help us to protect our health, protect our immunity is so important right nowadays that we cannot leave out any food group. So I hope you call me back and I will give you the list of protein rich sources food which is going to promote your health. And like we were talking about 9 essential amino acids also. So out of this 9 essential amino acid, we have one amino acid, like we have valine. This valine is important because it helps to generate new cells. So this is one thing. And we have leucine also. Leucine is also important because leucine helps us to build muscle cells. So each of these 9 essential amino acids have to be absorbed from the plant sources. We can also add animal sources, animal protein sources like egg, dairy. They will be shooting up your nutrient profile in your meal. So when we are adding a dal, rice with an egg, the nutrient density will be very much higher. We will be getting fat soluble vitamins from the egg as well as water soluble vitamins from B vitamins from the rice and dal and grains. Have you seen people who are missing out particular grain group because they will be not for 3 months, but after 3 months they will start developing that deficiency. It takes times to develop deficiency when we leave out rice and dal and other legumes or any particular fruits. Like going on low carb diet, what it will do is, you will start experiencing indigestion, constipation. These are all those things that will slowly develop, but definitely it will affect your health. So hope I have made the point clear about selecting protein sources and why it is important to keep plant sources in the first place and also add animal proteins as well. Thank you for listening to me.